اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
So here is a skit where the historians of grade 8th are taking us in the past in search of mystery about history.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening to everybody present over here. We, the students of grade 8A, are here to present a historical skit, Mystery About History. Well, everybody has a fantasy of becoming invisible and going into the past to find out what really has happened in the past. So, today, me and my friends are going to give you a quick glimpse of what really was the past history. So, let's get started. Two friends, Hafsa and Zainab, are playing in a park. Hafsa kicks the ball in the garbage area. Suddenly, Zainab trips.
What happened, Zainab?
What's that? She finds a strange looking object, which is actually a time machine.
What it is, Zainab?
No idea.
Show it to me.
No, wait. As soon as Hafsa press the buttons of the strange looking thing, both of them time travels into the past, the era of British Tipu Sultan Palace.
Get up, Zainab. Get up.
Wait.
Look, Zainab. Who are they, Zainab?
Let's check.
What's going on? Let's check.
The new Governor General of East India Company, Lord Cornwallis' subordinate General Drake is present.
Governor General Lord Cornwallis has sent me to you with a message of friendship.
Read it in a loud voice.
On the behalf of new Governor General, we have decided to present a proposal of friendship. In this proposal, our company and the Kingdom of Mysore will together conquer the states, and the states conquered will be divided halfly. The states you wish to take will be given to you, and the booty will also be distributed according to you. In final statement, this friendship will profit you and the people of Mysore. So we hope you will accept this proposal of friendship.
I am grateful for your proposal, but I refuse it. I am surprised that Governor General doesn't know anything about me, even though I know everything about his life from America to India.
Governor General think that you should, for all the incident that took place before his arrival, and the company and Sultan together should start afresh towards relationship.
I still don't appreciate it because I know weapons are being made and they are constructed.
Even if this is the case, then after the peace treaty, Mysore Kingdom will be benefited too. The company will establish its foundation in India and Mysore Kingdom will be free from conflict and half of India will be yours.
Half of India is a very big thing. Even if East India Company gives me the entire universe and asks for one dust of Indian soil, then I refuse.
But your highness,
History is the witness that my father Nawab Hyder Ali Khan sacrificed his life for his kingdom, and so I can't strangle my countrymen for outsiders.
Sultan, you should once again think about the suggestion of Governor General. Your fame, pride and honor lies in this friendship.
Fortunately, it doesn't. It lies in the protection of the country and martyrdom.
After some time,
So, Hafsa, do you get it? It was a great king, Tipu Sultan.
Yes, you are right, Zainab. He was such a courageous man.
He always helped the needy peoples.
Yes, you are right. Now let's check any other centuries.
the kids are amazed by how courageous Tipu Sultan was.
Again, a new era.
Yes, you are right. Let's check. Where are we now? Let's check, Zainab. What's going on here?
Start the telephone with the permission of the Majesty.
Permission granted.
Here comes the victim Babu Rao and the felon from Bundelkhand.
Adab, Your Majesty.
Adab, what's the matter?
Your Majesty, the Babu Rao is a elite. He had a deal with Salim Shah that stated that they will share equal piece of land among each other. But as Salim was in our service of treating the soldiers, he made up taking whole land for himself.
You traitor! How dare you to cheat a person of my kingdom?
Your Majesty, I am a Muslim. You are a Muslim. We both are Muslim. Please favor me, not him.
Cut the crap. Who must have to pay? Let it be from my community or someone else. Babu Rao, I promise you that you'll get your property back.
Have you seen Zainab? Who he is?
Yes, he is the great king Aurangzeb.
Yes, you are right. And have you seen he always took the side for the justice?
Yes, and how he helped the people of his kingdom.
Yes, you are right. Now let's go and check any other centuries.
Both the kids now decided that they should travel into another era.
Oh wow, he looks so nice. Let's check what's happening here also.
The Taj Mahal looks beautiful.
Yeah. Tasleem. Tasleem.
Your Majesty, as per your edict, we started building your dream project Taj Mahal, and for it we require finance for about 75 crore Nisar. This will surely attract millions of eyes.
Permission granted. Take it from my treasure.
Your Highness.
Huzur, Huzur, Huzur.
What's the matter?
Tasleem. I am the Diwan of the city Mewar. We are suffering from a severe drought. We need your help. You are our last hope. Please help us. Please, please.
Transfer the fund of Taj Mahal to the city of Mewar. If needed, increase the amount.
But Your Highness.
No matter what happens, but my kingdom should not suffer.
Your edict, Your Highness.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Oh wow, he's such a great king.
Yes, and how he was helpful towards the kingdom.
Yeah, you are right. And he's Shah Jahan. I'm very amazed. He was such a great king, and in history, it was written so wrong about him.
Yes, and he only built the Taj Mahal.
Yeah, you are right. Now I got it. It's the time machine from which we can travel centuries to centuries.
Yes, you are right. Let me press the button this time.
Okay.
Both the kids now realize that it was the strange looking thing was actually a time machine.
Hafsa, let me check. Are we visible to them or not? No, Hafsa, we are not visible to them.
Let's see what's happening here also.
Yes.
All of you may leave now. Yes, Yakut, you may speak now.
Your Highness, I came to know that courtiers from Art Court, along with Shah Turkan and Ruknuddin, were planning to dethrone you, Your Highness.
Why are they trying to dethrone me?
Your Highness, they think that Ruknuddin is more capable than you, and they think women are not strong enough to fight a war or handle a kingdom.
Enough! I've heard this excuse way too many times. I won't hear this excuse anymore. Present him in front of me.
Bring them here.
Adab, Huzur. Yes, Your Highness.
What do you think about me as a queen of this kingdom? Speak only the truth.
Your Highness, you are the greatest of the great. We admire you for your right deeds. Our words cannot express how great you are, your bravery and your leadership.
I don't think this is the truth.
Your Highness, there are no lies in it. We think that you are really brave.
Really? I'm well aware of your plans. If If you think a woman is not brave enough and cannot handle a kingdom, I'll show you what a woman can do.
No, Your Highness, forgive me, forgive me.
Dare you think a woman is not strong enough and cannot handle a kingdom?
Your Highness, I seek your forgiveness for underestimating women. Forgive me, forgive me.
I hope you understood and you won't repeat it again. You may leave now.
Zainab, you wait, I'll bring an autograph.
Hafsa, wait. Are you stupid? We are not visible to them. Then how you'll take her autograph?
Sorry, Zainab. Yeah, she was such a powerful girl. And she was such gorgeous girl.
Do you see how she was brave and she always helped the people who are in need? And nowadays girls are just busy in posting photos on Snapchat and Instagram.
Yes, you are right, Zainab. Now let's go home. Or else our mom will not allow to let us in.
Yes.
The courage of Razia Sultan shocked the kids.
Oh wow, at least we are at our century.
Hafsa, do you remember what all we studied in our book and what all we saw was totally different?
Yes, you are right. The history which we have read and the history which we saw was totally different.
From now onwards, I am not going to believe on that history books.
Okay, Zainab, Allah Hafiz.
Wait, let me destroy the time machine.
Allah Hafiz, Zainab.
Hafiz.
Jazakallahu khairan kaseeran.
Thank you, girls. Thank you so much.